The Kearney Mesa tour will highlight the integration of components and systems into complete turbo machinery packages. Tour stops include Control System Assembly and Test, where we will demonstrate the processes for assembling and testing our control consoles. We will also showcase our new cellular manufacturing layout within the controls area. Gas Compressor Assembly, where you will see how individual components are transformed into a complete gas compressor assembly. Package Assembly, where you will see our newest methodologies to reduce product lead times. Here, we will demonstrate how we have applied Kaizen continuous improvement principles and will showcase the latest concept in package assembly. Turbine Assembly, where components from Solar's Harbor Drive facility are assembled into complete gas turbines. Here you will meet with some of the team leaders from the turbine assembly area. Test Cells, where we will discuss our testing capabilities, acceptance test processes, and demonstrate our exacting quality assurance processes. Technology and Process Displays, where at the end of the tour, participants can discuss numerous product and process improvements with Solar employees. The highlight of the tour will be the display of Solar's newest product, the Titan 130. At our Harbor Drive facility, you will tour our Certified Assembly Manufacturing Areas, referred to as CAMs, where detailed components and subassemblies are manufactured prior to being shipped to final engine assembly at Kearney Mesa or to our warehouse for service parts to meet our customers' needs in the field. Here in the cold cam, individual gas turbine compressor components are manufactured and assembled by a well-trained, dedicated team. You will tour the hot cam, viewing the first-of-a-kind manufacturing technology that Solar has developed to economically machine large quantities of steep-angle holes in our Solenox effusion-style combustors. This proprietary technology integrates laser drilling and airflow measurement capabilities into a single machine. Holes can be drilled at the rate of 1 per second. Resultant airflow testing of the finished part is measured at less than plus or minus 1.5% of nominal specification, 10 times better than industry standard. Here in the cold-in drive test cell, we perform a full array of performance and emissions development tests on single-shaft engines, including the Centaur 40, the Centaur 50, and the Taurus 60. This computerized generator set test facility was newly commissioned in late October 1997. You will see Solar's Combustion Test Center, a $5 million investment that supports combustion technology as a core competency. This dedicated facility includes 6 independent test cells, sized for full-scale testing of current and future combustion system configurations. This state-of-the-art facility supports combustion-related development test, production quality assurance, and customer fleet support.